The National Weather Service in Los Santos has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Los Santos County and southern San Andreas until 6:30 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., Doppler radar tracked a severe thunderstorm with squall lines located 2 miles north of Chumash, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted by this thunderstorm include Vinewood, Richmond, Los Santos metro area, Pacific Bluffs, Del Perro, Vespucci, La Puerta, Vinewood Hills, Port of South Los Santos, Las Vinewood and East Los Santos. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building and stay away from windows. This thunderstorm may cause potentially heavy rainfall as well as cloud-to-ground lightning. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for all of central and southern San Andreas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: southern Los Santos County.